Hello, welcome back to another episode of Always Doing Something. Today we are going to put in some tires for my brother. So we got some OMUDSLINGERS, 1-inch, part number Z-T0199. That's for these OMUDSLINGER tires right here. And then we also got some of these rims we're going to put in right here. And they're for the 1-inch tires, of course. And the part number is Z-W0263. When you see that? Alright, here's the other one too, in case I said it wrong. Alright, well, and then I'm also going to do some extra. I'm going to put some solder. I got this big old thick solder. I'll put this in my Yoda over here in these tires. I got a whole bunch in there. That's in a different video. But this one right here, I'm going to either put in one ring, and that's 13.8 grams, or I'm gonna put in, or that's 2 rings. This is 1 ring, and it's 6.9 grams. What I mean by rings is it's this either 1 ring around it or 2 rings around it. So I'm gonna do them all, and then I'll weigh them up, and I'll see what we come across. So as soon as I get to putting all this together, I'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment and like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in a minute. Thanks, Lo. I got it. Look at this awesome sandwich Nicole just brought in for me. Look at that, man. Roast beef, bacon, lettuce, cheese, some whiter meat, pickles. I'm gonna eat lunch and then I'll be back. This is how I'm gonna do this right here. I'm gonna wrap this around here, like so. So we got a circle right here. I'm gonna cut it. And then I think I'm gonna just cut it in half. We'll see about this for the weight. So that's half. That was pretty good. Let's try that. It's 3.4. 3.5. Close enough. Now I'm just gonna cut each one of these in half. I'm thinking. .7, 1.8, close enough. So then I think I can, let's see, I can wrap a loop. I'll glue that on. And then I guess I should probably cut that at 4s instead of doing it like that. Well, I guess like that. They don't go fast enough, so that's the way I'm gonna do it. So let's see how much all this weighs now. I think that's what I said too, 37.5 maybe. So that's 37.6. That's perfect. So I'm gonna do that on all of them, and I think that'll make a difference. Then unfortunately mine's over there. So over here I gotta take my tires off and do the same thing now, because my brother's not the only one with weight. Except for I cut out a bunch of foam out of mine. That's a different video I still gotta make. But back to this one right here. So we are going to put one of these together. And so here's my pieces for my other ones. So I got this little rig up that I did with mine. Oh wait, jumping ahead. So I gotta glue this on right here. So I'm gonna take all this apart right here. Alright, before I take out the last two, I'm gonna mark it on the inside here, because from what I know, I don't know if these are the same, but they only go on one way. So I'm gonna take a little bit of white out here. I think I'll use a little bit of this right here. So let me take these little tweezers right here and put a little bit on the tip. And then hopefully I can get it like right there. Alright, got it on that side and on that side. So when I drop these two screws out, I'll know how to get it back together. I gotta glue all this stuff on first. So let's drop these two out right here. And then dang, ba bang, bada boom. Then you got your orange right there. That'll just wipe right out. You'll peel that right off. And then you got a little piece right here, and that's no big deal. Be able to peel that off. This goes on every which way. So now I'm going to glue all this stuff together. See, I just put the glue on it, a couple drops, and then spin it around, and it just rolls right around it. Very nice. Let's see, we'll stick one of these right here. This is that tire glue I always talk about. This stuff. I'm telling you, this is great stuff. And the other one I'm gonna put right here on this side. Keep out of there. It's gonna help so much. On my Betty over there, I took the foams out. I cut triangles into them. But I gotta show that video still. But ow, ooh! I almost glued myself together. All right, well, let's see. I screwed up there. While that's drying, let me show you. So I got this little tool that, you know, it's not a tool. It's just a couple little plastic parts. So I put this down here, and then this thing fits pretty good right on it. And then you know how that goes. And I put the rim on, and then this thing should sit right in there, like so. Oh, I got super glue on me. I better be careful. And then you know this piece goes on, of course, the ring. And then I got these little shims right here. Here's my little nut, but then I got these little shims right here. No biggie, just some little plastic shims that came off my Yoda over here. So then they just work. Then I just squeeze it together just like a big tire. And bada bing, bada bang. So, I mean, it's never that easy, so don't let me fool you. Once this dries all the way, we'll be back and we'll be putting this back together. So I'll see you guys then. Alright, well now we're going to try and put her all together. So let's see how interesting this is. Not too bad, not too bad. Alright, well, that went in like that, so let's see how this is gonna go. These are so little. Alright. So you got your orange and your orange. And the reason I'm picking orange because college football is a lot more funner. In OSU, you got to pick a team that your brother doesn't like. And pick that because it definitely makes it more funner. So if he has a little bit of orange on his Jeep for a little bit, then he can remember OSU. That's Oklahoma State University. I mean, if you're gonna watch football, you might as well watch college. Oh, one thing I didn't do is look, I didn't line that up. That's choosing to be a little bit harder right there. Alright. Well, there's round one. Let's try that again. Put that on like so. That should be lined up like that. We'll put on our little fancy tool that we made. And that should go like that. So pick it up. Oh, mode. So maybe if we do it like this. Ah, what's this? Get rid of some more orange. Alright. That should be enough. Alright, round three. Oh. Alright, there's a little gadget deal. Filler on the top. I'll line that one up with that one. So that should be lined up. So now let's go to our orange again. Oh no. That was the wrong shim. Alright, well now what are we going on? Like round 4 or 5? These are a pain in the butt. Dang it. Alright, well, gotta get done. Oh, I gotta wipe the orange off. Alright, orange back to the top. Alright, so the other orange didn't even help. I don't think. This should. Wow. Sweet, look at that. That only took like, what, 5-6 times? Oh, look. I gotta do it again. I didn't get the bottom in right. Well, we gotta do it again. So, son of a gun. Alright, so now the back is in right. Let's do this again. So that'll line it up for us. Try that orange dot again, see if it works out. Doing it. But I told this thing I just saw. And spin the rim. Just have more light. Dang it. Alright, I gotta dive in here for a minute. Alright. Hopefully this will be the last time here. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Oh, I did it wrong. Damn it. I gotta do it all over again. Look. Son of a bitch. Well, it is a pain in the ass. I never claimed to be easy. Let's try this again here. Hopefully the back stayed on. Oh, I missed it. Fuck. Alright, well, I'll let you guys know how many more times it takes, but you don't need to sit here and watch me. Alright, so here's my first one, second, and my third one. Now, I'm going to show you guys what I've learned. So, what I've learned is to put it on and let it rest. And then pull it around, you know, pull it like this. And kind of stretch the rubber around, I think now. And this time when I took the rims apart, this little plastic piece stayed on there. And that was the hard part right there. So, put it on. Still got the orange mark on there. because I was right. They only go on one way. So, or maybe 2 or 3 ways, but can't just fit it right together. And make sure it's all squished in there. There it went. Make sure it's all good. Just like a regular tire, I've learned that you gotta put them in like this. You know, like a star pattern. And these things are just so small. I mean, look at that. Alright, now you just slowly tighten it up. Just like a truck. Start out. Oh, the Yotis are out right now. They're out early tonight. Oh, they're close. I'll be back. I gotta go get the Yotis. Alright, we're back. We had to go light off some fireworks, scared the Yotis away. But, this is done, I believe. Alright, well, only bad part is I gotta take all the wheels off of mine and do it. So, let's see how much they weigh now. I should have did a comparison with all of them, but now one tire weighs 37.6, 37.7, 37.6, 37.5. It's pretty darn good, I think. I mean, what do I know? That's just me here, always doing something. Got Nicole and Caleb in the house. Me and Caleb went for a bike ride this evening. Lake Jennings, you have to check that out. But, so let's put these on this little deadbolt and check it out and see what it looks like. Alright, here's what it looks like on this side. In the front. And then here's what it looks like in the back. Might have to do a little body trimming, but I'll let him do all that. So, I'm gonna put the other 2 tires on. Oh, let me show you the difference here. Look at that. That's a big difference right there. Big difference. Alright, I'm gonna put the other tires on. Oh wait, let's check the weight. Let's see the weight difference here. So stock Deadbolt tire weighs in at 11 grams. A 1-inch Mudslinger RC 4-wheel drive with metal stamped rims and Raleigh's custom fab job to it is a whopping 37.7 grams. That's a huge difference. So yeah, so rock on. I'm gonna put it together and then we'll see what it looks like when we're done. Alright, check it out. Looks pretty sweet. Can't wait for my brother to come over here and drive it. It's pretty bitchin' looking. Oh. Alright, well, if you like this video, leave me a comment. Let us know what you think. hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. I need you guys all to subscribe right here. And once again, thanks for watching and have a wonderful evening.